Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Discord.js series. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make an NTVC command and also an unNTVC command. So for today's tutorial, it's gonna be quite easy. It's the same, actually it's the same formula, the same way you're gonna do it with the mute command. But for now, we're gonna remove the connect permission. Okay, and yeah, that should be it. I for your information, I made this files in the moderation, which is in command. So yeah, this is how you do it. Okay, so first we're gonna do the basic setup, idjs exclamation mark djs, and we're gonna call this ntvc. Okay, and then in here we're gonna check permissions. If member dot has permission, and manage roles return. So if the person doesn't have roles, it's just gonna return. Okay, and then we're gonna define member, const member. Let me just do const target, just message dot mentions dot members dot first. Okay, or you can do an ID message dot guild dot members dot patch dot get and arg0. If there is no members, if there is no target, return message dot reply, please specify a member. Okay, so should be okay right now. Okay, so now we're gonna define role. Let role, so the default role is message dot guild dot roles dot catch dot find, and then here role dot name dot two lowercase is equals to ntvc. Okay, so once that's done, there's no row. So there's two ways of doing this. First way is just to tell the admin or someone to create a ntvc role, or we can straight away use the bot to straight away create the role. Okay, so we're just gonna do the create the role method. Okay, so we're gonna use try catch. In here, we're gonna try to create a role. So we're just gonna say message dot channel dot send attempting to create ntvc role. Okay, and then what should I do? Okay, so let role role equals await message dot guild dot roles dot create. Okay, we can create a role, and then data. The data name will be ntvc, and the permissions will just be an empty array. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then in here, after we created the role, we're gonna do this message dot guild dot channels dot catch dot filter. So we're gonna filter every single channel which is not voice, which is voice channel, and then channel dot type is equals to voice. So we only want voice, and then we're gonna use a for each channel. Okay, for each channel, and then we're gonna do await channel dot override permissions, and then in here gonna be role comma, and then view channel. Wait, let me see. Let me just try create override. Create override. Okay, and then role. The view channel will be false. View channel false, and then the other one will be view channel will be true, but connect will be false. My bad. True, and then connect will be false. Okay, perfect. So that's should be it for the creating and overwriting permission. So we're just gonna say message.channel send a role has been created. Okay, and then if there's error, you're just gonna do console.log error. Okay, and then after this, we're gonna add the role to the member itself. So await member dot roles, await target dot roles dot add. You're gonna pass in the role. Let me see if it takes string. Let me just do role the ID. Okay, and then we're gonna send a success message. So you just say message dot channel dot send, and then target has been NTVC. I don't know how to say this, but I think this is the term for it, but I'm not really sure. You can change change the text however you want. I'm just gonna stick with this. So this should be it. This should be the command. So let's just try this out. CLS no dot. Okay, I have my alt account with no permissions, and then with my main account with permissions. So let me just see if my bot. Okay, the bot is not on. Let me see for errors. Oh wait, it's only valid in async function, which is line line 28. Okay, perfect. Let me just make that async. For here, for each channel, remember to add an async in front, then it should work. Okay, so that's just formatting the code. So the code haven't changed, I just formatted it, so it looks a little better. Okay, perfect. So let's just wait for the bot to start up, and then we can start testing the command. So if you do y ntvc, please specify a member. So as you can see here, my alt account can actually join the music channel. So if I do y ntvc, and then I ping my alt account, attempting to create role, and then role has been created. So let me just show you the role. It's actually been created. Where is it? There's too much role. Okay. As you can see here, NTVC, and if I click on my alt account, as you can see here, NTVC, and then it's gone. Okay, it's there. As you can see here, my alt account actually can't join the the music channel because yeah, it's been NTVC. Okay, so I'll show you how to make a command to undo this. We'll just call this anti on ntvc.js. Of course, you can call this anything you want, but yeah, we just do this. Okay, and then we're just gonna do on ntvc. It's very weird, I know, but yeah, you can change the command name to anything you want. It doesn't really affect the code. The main part starts here. So first, we're gonna define target. So message mentions members first. Okay, and then if there's no target, as usual, if there's no target, return message reply. Please specify a target or member. You can do anything you want. Okay, so and then after that, we're gonna require try to get a role. So const role equals message.guild roles catch find and then role name, and then ntvc. Make sure to add a dot to lowercase, so we would convert all the uppercase to lowercase, and then it will match with this. If it's true, if there's no role, return message or reply. The role doesn't exist. Okay, if there's no role, and then we're gonna check if the target has the role by doing if target dot roles dot catch dot has, and then role. This is an ID, so we're just gonna do role dot ID if they don't have the role, and then we're just gonna do return message dot reply. Return message dot reply. we can use template literals so we can ping the user. Target has is not NTVC or anything you want, and then if it is NTVC, so we're just gonna remove the role. So target dot roles dot remove, and then is it a string? Let me just use role ID also. So remove role dot ID, and then just gonna send a success message by doing message dot channel dot send, and then we just ping template literals target has been NTVC. Okay, so you're gonna save this file, and then we're just gonna restart the bot. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. So okay, I'm gonna show you. As you can see here, it has a log sign, voice logged, as you can see here. So I'm just gonna NTVC my alt account. So on NTVC, and then I'm gonna do this, and then it will say please specify target. So if I specify my alt account, and then I'm just gonna recon test will be NTVC, and then as you can see here, I can join the voice channel. So let me just show you. If I NTVC my alt account, I wouldn't be able to join the voice channel. So let me just do this as the NTVC. So as you can see here, is there any errors? Nope. Oh, I accidentally NTVC'd my bot instead of my account. So let me NTVC recon test. Okay, recon test and NTVC, and then as you can see here, the voice channel is locked. So yeah, that should conclude for today's video on NTVC. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment for the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to subscribe, really helps the channel out. And have a nice day. See you again in the next video. Bye.